everyone, I'm Alie Reetz.
And I'm Dan Meyer.
And we are live from the show floor at FDIC 2025.
FDIC is the heartbeat of the American fire industry, and we are so excited to host all of you here. We're going to be doing a lot of podcasting and things like that, but first we're going to go on a little tour, huh, Alie?
Absolutely. Let's check out the 12 apparatus we have featured in the booth this year.
And if you have any question about those apparatus, don't worry. We're going to do some high-level details, but the job numbers will be listed in the show notes. If you have any question, reach out to your local Pierce dealer, and they'll get you all the details that you need. But in the meantime, let's go play fire truck,
Let's go.
The first truck on the tour is the Pierce Volterra Pumper. So this one has that patented EMIVT technology only available by Pierce through Oshkosh. That lets you seamlessly transition between battery and ice mode. Come check it out at the road show.
And we're here now at the Enforcer Top Mount PUC Pumper. This offers a full transverse walkway for the pump operator to operate off the top, offering peak visibility 360 degrees around the apparatus. There's also a low hose bed. It operates with 2,000 gallons per minute pump, an 800-gallon water tank, offering peak serviceability, operability, maintenance, and safety for firefighters.
All right, right behind me here we have an Enforcer PUC that's got the extreme duty air conditioner on it. It also has a 2,000 gallon per minute PUC pump and has the PACCAR engine that's only available in Pierce apparatus. This is going to be hitting the road rally here shortly, so if you'd like to take a look at it yourself, contact your local Pierce dealer.
And now we're here at our Enforcer Heavy Duty Rescue Pumper. On the rear, there's a fully transverse compartment to maximize storage capacity. This has an HVAC system with the TFT Crew Protect air filtration system. It also has collision avoidance mitigation system technology, also known as CAMS. That offers advanced warning for firefighters on emergency scenes to increase safety.
This unit's being showcased courtesy of Pelham Batesville from South Carolina. Thank you so much for letting us show your apparatus this year. You'll notice that it has full depth compartments and then also showcases a low hose bed for easier loading of your hose.
Here we are at our Impel Top Mount Pumper from Conway Fire Department in Arkansas. Thank you, Conway, for letting us show off your apparatus in our booth this year. We have a 10-inch raised roof for improved head clearance on this apparatus, paired with the TAC4 independent front suspension for improved ride quality and braking. The side roll and frontal impact protection is paired with the Haas Alert collision mitigation system. This apparatus also has an extreme duty HVAC system. The top mount control panel has 1,500 gallons per minute and a Husky 12 foam system.
This Enforcer has a 107-foot Ascendant aerial. You'll see that 107 feet gives you that vertical reach, but also offers 100 feet of horizontal reach, all on a single rear axle. This particular unit also features a 2,000 gallon per minute pump and is operated on a PACCAR engine.
Here we are at the 100-foot heavy-duty aerial ladder. We lowered the cab by 3.5 inches, paired with the 100-foot aerial ladder. Without a waterway, the overall height is 10 foot 8 inches. With a waterway, it is 10 foot 10. There is a warning light intensity control system on this ladder with a shortened egress, and there is 349.68 cubic square feet of storage. This is all powered by the PACCAR MX-13 engine.
This Velocity 100-foot heavy-duty platform is shown courtesy of West Fargo, North Dakota. You'll notice that it has two 6,000 PSI breathing air to the tip and a cold climate package enclosed in the pump house.
Next up, we have the Enforcer 100-foot heavy-duty tractor-drawn aerial ladder from Virginia Beach Fire Department in Virginia. Thank you, Virginia Beach, for letting us borrow your apparatus for the show floor. This has an air ride Tillerman seat. It is also paired with the jackknife warning announcer system. On the rear, there is a flip-up ladder storage keeper.
Thanks for joining me here at the 100-foot mid-mount tower. This is currently showcasing its below-grade capabilities, where it can operate only 22 feet off the side of the apparatus. You'll also notice behind me that the TAC4 T3 is now available with aluminum rear wheels as well as disc brakes.
And now we're going to check out the Frontline Communications C40X4 Saber command unit in our booth this year. This has 4-ton Northern Air HVAC system, touchscreen video controls, a Wilbert 42-foot mast with light cover, 22 HD monitors, and 2 conference rooms inside. Okay, if you have any further questions about any of the Pierce apparatus we talked about in our booth this year, please be sure to reach out to your local Pierce dealership.
Thank you so much for joining us on the tour today. And for everyone at home, the tour doesn't stop here. We're hitting the road for the 2025 Roadshow, so check out the Pierce website for a stop near you. Be safe out there.